California, there's no single agency with primary responsibility to monitor, assess, and manage our wetlands. In 2010, California tried to determine whether we could document from a statewide perspective whether wetland extent and function had been lost over time. With no coordinated statewide wetland program, differences in wetland definition and assessment methods between agencies made it impossible to bring together sufficient data to answer these important questions. Today, I'll introduce you to the California Wetland Monitoring Workgroup and the internet portal they've developed to provide answers to these management questions. Where are our wetlands and how are they doing? To assess our ability to accurately assess our extent and health of wetlands, the California Wetland Monitoring Workgroup was formed. The workgroup is a partnership of 24 state agencies, federal agencies, non-governmental organizations that operates under the overarching guidance of the Monitoring Council. Please raise your hand if you've been involved in activities in the Wetland Monitoring Workgroup. Quite a few folks in the audience. The mission of the California Wetland Monitoring Workgroup is to improve the monitoring and assessment of wetland and riparian resources by developing a comprehensive wetland monitoring plan for California and increasing coordination and cooperation among local, state, and federal agencies, tribes, and non-governmental organizations. The workgroup reviews technical and policy aspects of wetland monitoring tool development, implementation, and the use of data to improve wetland management in California. The Wetland Monitoring Workgroup has developed a number of tools to standardize how California assesses wetland extent and health and manages wetland information. This is not standardization for standardization's sake, but an effort to standardize to the extent necessary to be able to bring wetland data together from multiple agencies and organizations to address management questions. The Wetland and Riparian Area Monitoring Plan, or RAMP, provides a framework for monitoring, assessment, and reporting through standardized practices and collaborative action based on the Level 1, 2, 3 framework of US EPA. The California Rapid Assessment Method, or CRAM, is a cost-effective and scientifically defensible rapid assessment method for monitoring the condition of wetlands throughout California. Separate modules have been developed to address a number of wetland types, including barbell estuaries, depressional wetlands, estuarine wetlands, individual vernal pools and vernal pool systems, and riverine wetlands. EcoAtlas provides landscape context to aquatic resource extent, condition, and project information by integrating monitoring results with land use, water quality, and other information. The EcoAtlas Landscape Profile tool generates dynamic summaries of aquatic resource information within user-defined areas and watersheds. The base map for EcoAtlas is the California Aquatic Resource Inventory, including standardized wetland definition, mapping, and classification protocols. The main focus of today's presentation is the California Wetlands Portal. Along with the other 5 wet portals created by work groups of the California Water Quality Monitoring Council, the Wetland Portal may be accessed through a single point of entry, the My Water Quality website. These portals provide streamlined access to monitoring data and assessment information for decision makers and the public that directly address users' questions. From the My Water Quality homepage, click on the high-level question, are our aquatic ecosystems healthy? The aquatic ecosystem health topic is divided into subject areas by water body type, each developed and maintained by a collaborative interagency work group. The first of these is wetlands. California Wetlands Portal homepage highlights wetland types through a photographic carousel that presents the diversity of wetland habitats occurring within the state. Clicking on an image leads to descriptive information about this specific wetland type. Another key feature of the California Wetlands Portal and all of the My Water Quality portals is that users' questions guide navigation. The questions answered box provides access to information that addresses a number of key questions. What's the extent of our wetlands? How healthy are they? are our wetlands protected? Included under each of these more detailed questions to guide users to more specific information within each topic area. This page addresses the question, where are California's wetlands? An interactive map presents the location and extent of a variety of wetland types throughout California. The California Aquatic Resources Inventory, or CARI, base map draws from the National Wetlands Inventory, the National Hydrography Data Set, and more intensive surface water resource mapping efforts. How are our wetlands doing? The ambient condition of assessed wetlands using the California Rapid Assessment Method, or CRAM, is presented in this page of the Wetland Portal. CRAM assesses 4 overarching attributes of wetland condition: buffer and landscape context, hydrologic regime, physical structure, and biotic structure. By combining these scores for these attributes into an overall score, of wetland health is derived. CRAM scores range from 25 to 100. Healthier wetlands have higher scores and lighter colors on this map. This portal page explains the Wetland and Riparian Area Assessment Plan Toolkit for measuring wetland extent and condition based on the Level 1, 2, 3 framework of US EPA. Level 1 uses remote sensing data and field surveys to inventory wetland location and extent. Level 2 uses field diagnostics and existing data to provide rapid assessment of wetland condition. California Rapid Assessment Method is an example of Level 2. Level 3 methods produce quantitative field data to give more precise answers to management questions. Bioassessment of the health of particular organism communities within a wetland are an example of Level 3 assessments. Level 3 methods can be used to calibrate and validate Level 2 methods and test hypotheses about the causes of habitat conditions. Interested in a wetland restoration project near you? Find them using this page of the California Wetlands Portal. Basic project information is presented by clicking on a project icon, and more extensive project details are found in the companion online tool, www.ecoatlas.org. The question, how are California's wetlands protected, is addressed in this page of the portal. California's wetlands are monitored and protected through a variety of regulatory, incentive, and restoration programs as presented here. The large number of state and federal agencies and non-governmental organizations involved presents a huge coordination challenge. And this is where the leadership of the California Wetlands Monitoring Workgroup really makes a difference, developing standardized methods and strategies to foster relationships to keep everyone working collaboratively. The Wetland Workgroup will focus next on improving Level 1 assessments, refining the California Aquatic Resource Inventory, and launching a status and trends monitoring program, improve coordination and standardization of Level 3 tools, and strategies to integrate assessment results across the landscape through landscape profiles and multi-metric watershed assessments. I invite you to take a look at the poster on the California Wetlands Portal in the hallway outside this room. A poster on the California Estuaries Portal is also on display. Thank you.